Okay, this is a hotel called Jinjiang Inn, and I think it's definitely worth it. It's nighttime, but it's kind of, maybe it's good at nighttime because then you can see China, Zhuhai, China right over there. Those ones, those lights. And I think I'm gonna try to go see if I can walk around it. So yeah, stay tuned. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here's Jinjiang. That's China over there. You can see a little bit of China. So I'm just gonna come around to the front, and I think I'm gonna try to walk around the building. And so yeah, it looks like it's like 20 stories maybe. I'm gonna just kind of throwing that out there. I'm not 100% sure. Okay, looks like that's like a conference room right there. And then you got all the rooms up there. And I think that this goes into a residential. So it looks like the hotel might be relatively small. Looks like the hot pot restaurant right here. Let's just see what this Chongqing hot pot. That'd be interesting. Oh yeah, looks like a pretty popular Chongqing, China. It's known for really spicy foods. So yeah, that's right next to Jinjiang. Maybe it's interesting if I do film this whole, go around the building a little bit. So yeah, that's Chongqing hot pot. Might put that on label as well. It's cool. Okay, let's just see what's around the whole block of Jinjiang. Looks like anybody that's gonna stay here probably wants to know what's around here anyway, so why not, right? Supermarket. Kind of a small supermarket, but has all your fruits and basic stuff. Car mechanic. Place called Homie. It says coffee and snack right there in English. Homie. More car stuff. So we're gonna walk around the block and we'll see what we can see of China. And then that way you also get an idea of this Jinjiang Hotel as well. We saw the Chongqing hot pot. It's interesting. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna go into something like this. So we're gonna walk straight through here. And I think we're gonna be on the back side of China as well. It's a little dark, sorry about that. Got some exercise equipment here. There's a skyline in the background like that. So you can do some exercising in this space here as well. And we're just gonna go all the way around. I think we're gonna try to go down this way. Sorry? So yeah, looks like this right here looks like, that's Zhuhai right there. Some mechanic shops. And it looks like this is where a little storage for buses. So these are probably like long distance buses here. What's this one? Looks like it's like skewer stuff. Really nice meat. Prince Cafe. Okay. Motors. So you can see parts of China over here. So so yeah, anybody that's on this, they view the buses and then China. So I think there's some hotels, El Hotel, Suleiman. So weird because we had COVID, so of course nobody could see any of those hotels for quite a while. Huh. So interesting. I've been in Macau. I used to go to Zhuhai like maybe 3 times a month, usually on Sundays. I haven't been able to go over to there in quite a while. Looks like a good place for a rat. Try to get by here. Okay. So yeah, we're pretty much right on the border. Wonder how porous this border is. But yeah, there's China right there. Crazy. Okay, so we're gonna come back up to Jinjiang. So this hotel, that's the backside of the hotel right there. So it looks like that's the hotel, and then those look like apartment buildings, just the way they're designed. It looks like it's typical Macau apartment buildings. There's a little side street down that way. Parking area. Okay, so have a wall of buildings right there. Kind of interesting. It's kind of funny. Like if you lived here, you just see nothing but that. But like if you lived there, you'd see like all of Zhuhai. So that's our hotel right there. So yeah, if you were up on the top, you could look into China. Right, any of these apartments would look into China. Dang. And that part of Zhuhai is quite dense and interesting as well. So got a wall of apartments. I lived in an apartment once where I just looked out and saw the wall of apartments. It's pretty fascinating to a certain degree. I lived there for a year. It's interesting at first because you've just never seen anything quite like that, and then after you've been there for a while, you forget that you have 100 neighbors. So okay, there's Jinjiang right there. So that's the hotel, Jinjiang Inn. And we're gonna end it. I think we're gonna end it right there. So I hope you like that one. Chiquinha, chiquinha.